Assurance Wireless is a renowned provider of free government cell phones and service, offering a lifeline to low-income individuals in the United States. Apart from providing free cell phones and minutes, Assurance Wireless also offers a fantastic program that provides eligible customers with a free tablet. This article will guide you through the process of obtaining a free tablet from Assurance Wireless. Eligibility criteria: to qualify for Assurance Wireless's free tablet program, you need to meet certain eligibility criteria. Firstly, you must be a participant in a federal assistance program such as Medicaid, Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, SNAP, Supplemental Security Income, SSI, Federal Public Housing Assistance, FPHA, or Veterans Pension and Survivors Benefit. Additionally, you may also qualify if your household income falls below a certain threshold. Age requirements may also apply, depending on your state's regulations. Checking availability before applying for a free tablet: it's essential to ensure that Assurance Wireless provides services in your area. The coverage area may vary, so visit the Assurance Wireless website or contact their customer service to verify availability. Application process: the application process is straightforward and can be completed either online or over the phone. To apply online, visit the Assurance Wireless website and fill out the application form. Ensure that you have the required documentation ready, as you'll need to upload it during the application. If you prefer to apply over the phone, call the Assurance Wireless customer service number and follow the instructions to complete the application. Required documentation: when applying for a free tablet, you'll need to provide certain documentation to verify your eligibility. This typically includes proof of identity, such as a valid government-issued ID, proof of participation in a federal assistance program or income documentation, and proof of your current address. Approval and activation: after submitting your application, it will be processed, and you will receive a notification regarding its status. The approval process may take some time, so be patient. Once your application is approved, you'll receive instructions on how to activate the free tablet. Available features and plans: once your free tablet is activated, you'll have access to various features and plans. Data plans may vary, so make sure to choose one that suits your needs. Additionally, Assurance Wireless may offer extra services, such as texting, international calling, or data add-ons. Troubleshooting and support: should you encounter any issues during the application process or with your tablet, Assurance Wireless provides customer support to assist you. You can find their contact information on their website or in the approval notification. Frequently asked questions: here are some common questions about Assurance Wireless's free tablet program, along with brief answers. For more in-depth information, visit the Assurance Wireless website or contact customer support. Conclusion: obtaining a free tablet from Assurance Wireless is an excellent opportunity for eligible individuals to stay connected and access vital resources. By following the outlined steps and meeting the eligibility criteria, you can benefit from this program and enjoy the convenience of having a free tablet to meet your communication needs.